Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nancy Kurian from Vaidya Healthcare. So today I'm going to discuss your topic regarding multiple sclerosis. It is also called as MS. It is a condition, it is a disabling condition in which our central nervous system or the brain and spinal cord is affected. There is a protective covering in our brain and spinal cord which is called as myelin sheath. So this myelin sheath is damaged in the disease of MS. So this is because of some irregular autoimmune response that happens in the body. As a result, our body will mistakenly attack this protective covering called myelin sheath of the nerve fibers in brain and spinal cord. So, coming to the signs and symptoms of multiple sclerosis, it will vary from person to person depending upon the location where this demyelination happened and depending upon the severity also, the signs and symptoms may vary. If the demyelination happens in the cerebrum or cerebellum, features like balance and coordination issues, speech issues, tremors, etc. will be present. If it is affected in the motor nerve tract, features of muscle weakness, spasticity, paralysis, there will be poor bladder bowel control, etc. will be there. If the sensory nerve tract is affected, features of altered sensation like numbness, tingling sensation, burning sensation will be there. In most of the MS cases, we can see that the optic nerve is also involved. As a result, the patient will complain of blurred vision or any trouble in vision. The other main feature of the MS is there will be episodes of remissions and relapse. That means there will be the signs and symptoms will sometimes get aggravated and sometimes get subsided also. Coming to the management of the MS, it can be divided into 4 stages. That is, the first one is the management for the acute episode of MS. Second one, management for the prevention of MS. Third one, management for the complications of MS. And fourth one is a management for disability which is caused due to the MS. From the part of our Ayurveda medicine, we can do a very important role from the second to the fourth phase of MS management. That is, the initial acute management can be well done with the support of the modern and advanced medications which will help in reducing or delaying the acute episode of the attack. But the prolonged use of corticosteroids and all will definitely produce adverse effect to the body. So, after the initial management of the MS, the next stage of management, that is the treatment for the prevention of MS, treatment for the complications of MS, and treatment for the disability of MS can be well treated with the help of our Ayurvedic medicines and treatments with the support of other like physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, acupuncture, etc. And another one important fact in the management of MS is that the patient and the relatives should be well counseled about the nature of the illness and its prognosis and what all are the complications associated with this and what all treatments we can provide. So, in Vaidya Healthcare, we are providing an integrated approach for the management of MS with the help of a team of doctors from various departments like from Ayurveda medicine, physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, acupuncture, etc. Of course, MS is not a disease which can be completely cured, but if we treated it well at the proper time, many complications associated with that and permanent disability of the patient, etc. can be avoided and we can provide a better life quality to the patient.